Welcome back to 2M2X, your source for bite-sized 2-minute snippets on digital transformation. Let me ask you something. What if there was a cloud platform out there that is used by 83% of the Fortune 500? One that can be used to build custom web and mobile applications. One that supports a low-code, no-code development paradigm. One that is used by over 150,000 businesses globally. That has verticalized offerings for nonprofits, health, government, service delivery, and more, can support sales, marketing, HR, and more, with support for data visualization, integration, machine learning, IoT, and even an app store. Is there really a platform that can claim all of that? Yep, it's this little thing called Salesforce, which does all of that and so much more. And just last week, I spoke to Jim Hutcherson, who is a Salesforce solution architect with 15 plus years of deep experience and over a dozen certifications. He has led global implementations for Salesforce while he worked at IBM and has both broad and deep knowledge of the Salesforce product suite. And we're proud to have him on our team at Informative. In our conversation, Jim had this to say. Salesforce is not your grandfather's CRM anymore. It is slick, fully configurable, and has a tool set that allows teams to build completely custom workflows, integrations, and embed business rules without having to write a single line of code. So the old days of clunky UIs, custom Apex code, and duct-taped integrations is long gone. Salesforce is rapidly transforming into a customer experience-driven, plays well with others platform that gives clients various options to handle any metadata or workflows around a user. The problem now is a problem of plenty. Should I use Heroku or Apex, called Salesforce API, or some other package tool? That's why you need an expert like Jim. So check out the full interview by clicking on the link above and learn what Jim has to say about the power of the Salesforce platform and how you can maximize the business value from it. Until next time, stay safe, and I will catch you next week.